YouTube, Eric DIY here with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Relefree Inflatable Sleeping Pad. So the Relefree Sleeping Pad comes with a manual, which doesn't say much, it just says what's included with it, etc, etc. And it also comes with this, which are patches in case you have any holes that develop over time. So it's nice to see that they include some patches with the sleeping pad. As a special bonus, they give you a bonus sleeping mask. However, I will not be using that, but if you are a light sleeper and you need one of these, it's nice to see that they include a special bonus gift. As far as inflating, it has a one-way valve on it. This is to release the air. We'll just plug that up there. To inflate, you just take off the top cover, and it has a one-way valve. So when you blow air in, it isn't coming back out. Inflate that, Zachary. This might take a while. Zach just blew it up and it took a couple minutes, but remember, a 6-year-old's lungs are not as big as an adult. So I would estimate that this would take maybe a minute at most of an adult blowing air into it. And then we're gonna cap it off and then the air will stay inside. Here we have the Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad, and as you can see, this thing is pretty big. I would say that it would cover your average adult human being. I am 5'4", but let's see what a 6-year-old looks like on it. Zach, get on that thing, bud. So Zach is approximately 4 feet tall, and he still has about a good 2 to 2.5 feet left on that thing. How's it feel, bud? You like it? What do you like about it?
I like how it's like so smushy and stuff.
It's smushy? Is it comfortable smushy though?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now I'm gonna try it and we'll see what my thoughts are. I'm 5'4". My feet are towards the bottom. It will support an average adult human being. I would say that if you're like 6'5" or taller, this might not be it for you because you need a little more extra room on the bottom of your feet, but it will support your torso and your legs and everything else. And I'm a side sleeper, so that's why I'm sleeping on my side, not just with the camera. And it includes this handy pillow right here, which we're gonna get a close-up on. But that way you don't even need a camping pillow. However, you could add a camping pillow if you want, so we'll also look at that. The pillow portion is really comfy. The texture of the Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad is kind of like a nice velvety feeling to it. So it's really, really nice if you're gonna lay on it just by yourself. Again, that includes the pillow, which also has that velvety covering, which makes it nice and silky smooth. The thickness of the sleeping pad is about a good 1 to 1.5 inches. Definitely portable for the backpacker. Very, very lightweight, and like you saw at the beginning of the video, it packs up to a nice size that you can fit into your backpack. Even though the Relefree comes with its own pillow, if you want to put another camping pillow on there, you can. Right here we have the Trekology Aloof 2.0 pillow, which I like a lot because it has these little silicone beads on the bottom, which means it won't shift around. It also has this elastic cord that will fit around the sleeping pad and keep it in place. The Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad would definitely be comfortable with a sleeping bag on top of it, and it would be highly portable, easy to put in the backpack, and soft to the touch with its velvety texture on the top. Next, going to demonstrate how to deflate the Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad. All you do is basically pull it off, and the air comes out, and you just roll it right up. So go ahead, Zach. And that's it. And then we're just going to roll it up towards Zach. And that's it. You just roll it up, get all the air out, and then we'll fold it to go back in the bag. Overall, the Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad is an excellent buy. Definitely usable, lightweight, durable, nice velvety finish, and you can fit another sleeping pillow on it if you'd like. But it comes with its own, so you don't even have to bring one. If you would like to purchase your Relefree Camping Sleeping Pad, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon, so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. I don't know why he thinks that's a bell, but he thinks it is. And as always, we appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.